guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, hi, hello, my name is Helen. I'm so glad you could join me today. So as usual, we have a very exciting video today. It is finally the November IPSY unboxing, but before we get into that, if you love all things makeup and all things beauty, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post new beauty content every Wednesdays and Sundays, and I post lifestyle videos on Fridays, and I would love if you would join my family. And without further ado, roll that intro. So we have the IPSY Glam Bag and the IPSY Glam Bag Plus that we're going to be taking a look at today. I am super excited to see what we have in here. Normally, I would be wearing items from IPSY's past in today's video, but I did just get done filming my Too Faced video. If you want to see how I created today's super adorable holiday look, I will link that video up above for you guys. Let's go ahead and get into opening our November glam bag. All right, here is the super cute bag for the month. I really like this bag. I like the tan with that blue, and then there's like that blush little tag there, zip pull, super cute. And it looks like November's little theme is be present. Super cute. Also, I am super happy I put up a little Christmas tree. I'm getting ready for the holidays. I am so excited. I guess this is going up. When is this going up? Yeah, it's already, Thanksgiving has already passed. Right now, as I'm filming, it's the weekend before Thanksgiving, but it is officially time to start decorating. That's why the tree is up. But yeah, I am super excited for the holidays. All right, let's see what we have in here. I'm just gonna pull these out and then show you guys one at a time. I always forget what my choice is. Oh, there's one more thing that wasn't in there. So I did get another brush. I'll show that one first. Probably about the same quality as the last one I got. Not super great, but not horrible. This will be a nice like contour brush or maybe blush brush. All right, the second item I got here is the Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara. I'm excited to try this one. I haven't tried Bobbi Brown products, maybe ever. I may have tried like a couple of things. I remember back when like I was in high school and Bobbi Brown was like the makeup you wish you could buy and afford as a teenager. I think they're maybe less popular nowadays. There's just so many other amazing cosmetic companies out there. But let me know if you like Bobbi Brown, if that's something like that you still is like your go-to. Let me know. I'm interested in that, but I'm excited to try out this mascara. The second item I have here is Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Pore Fining Face Mask. Super cool. I love doing face masks, and I am excited to try this one out. I like that it's kind of targeting pores and it's detoxifying and brightening. So excited to try that one. The next item I have here is the Lottie AM to PM Retractable Eyeliner, and I got this in shade Espresso, so a nice brown liner. That's cool. I could definitely use a brown liner. I only have a couple of those versus like the 30 million black ones I have, so that'll be nice to add to my collection. And then last but not least in the glam bag, I have this little eyeshadow quad. This may have been my choice. Like I said, I'm not sure exactly which one I picked, but this is really pretty. Nice little quad shadow here. Nice neutrals. I think if I did pick this, I think I picked this one. I picked this one because it matches a couple of the other little quad eyeshadows and highlighters that I've received in the past IPSY boxes. So I just thought that was super cute to have like another one that's around that same size. They just kind of all fit together. So that is exciting. All right, now we're gonna move on to the Glam Bag Plus. I feel like this video is like going super quick. The Glam Bag Plus is in a matching bag. I really like these bags for travel or even like gift giving. Like with the holidays coming up, these would be really nice to like wrap stuff in and not like having to use like paper and stuff like that. So again, Be Present is the little theme. First thing I've popped out here is the Trestique contour stick. I chose this one. I have been looking for new like cream or liquid style contours, so I'm excited to try this out. I have received the Trestique lips before, and I think there's maybe something else I've received before from Trestique, so I'm excited to try this one. So this is what that looks like. This is a pretty nice item. And then there's a brush on the other side. How cool is that to be able to like blend it? And the brush feels really nice. So excited for that. Oh, and it's magnetic close. That's nice. That's really nice. I like this. So I did just receive an email and I signed up for their new Glam Bag X that's starting in February. It sounds a lot like it's similar to like BoxyCharm's Luxe Box, where every like quarterly they have a super special box that has like brand names and things like that. So I think the first one in February, it says all new quarterly members only upgrade featuring 7 to 8 full-size products. You choose 3, curated by beauty's biggest celebs. I think the first one is going to be a Patrick Ta collab, where there's a couple of items in there from him. I'm super excited. I did sign up for that starting in February. Then the next item we have in here, oh, is another Trestique. I don't think I picked this one. This is a Good Vibes Mascara Curler and Lash Enhancing Mascara. Now, I've actually had this before. I actually still have this. So this is going to go into my holiday giveaway. If you want to be the first to know about my holiday giveaway in December, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and you'll get to know when that's happening. I am super excited to do my first giveaway. It's going to be jam-packed with all sorts of really good goodies, and it's the holidays, which is my favorite time of year, so it's the perfect time to do a giveaway. So yes, this is going to go in my giveaway pile for that giveaway. All right, next up, I think is another one of my choices. This is the Hello Organic Natural and Organic Facial Sheet Mask. And I believe this comes with 3. Yep, there are 3 sheet masks in this set. And I love sheet masks. I love masks. This first one here says coconut and rose water hydrating, and the one on the back is brightening with peach and lime. They use eucalyptus sheets for the sheet mask part, which is really cool. I'm not sure what the middle one is. I don't want to crinkle this paper or the plastic outer part to find out, but I'm excited to try these out. I may even do one tonight. Sounds really nice after I take out all this makeup. All right, next up is, I think, something I picked. So this is Item Lid Glaze Hydrating Jelly Eyeshadow. That's what this looks like in the packaging. I've not heard of this brand. I'm going to take this out of here real quick. I really like cream eyeshadows, so I was excited to try this out. Let's swatch this. Oh, that's really pretty. Doesn't have a lot of pigment. It's pretty sheer, but it adds a really nice shimmer and glaze to the eye. I think that'll be really pretty to play with. All right, I'm excited about that one. I'm gonna let that dry on my hand and see how it dries and if it wipes off easily. All right, the last item in here is a full-time eyeshadow palette, silky blendable shades curated for work and play by Complex Culture. This is what the outer carton looks like. Super pretty. I like it's like kind of simple looking. All right, it feels really heavy. It's a hefty palette. Oh, this is really, really pretty. Like really pretty. And it even gives you, okay, this is really cool. So there is a mirror, but this is covering the mirror. So these are the shadows. Very, very pretty. There's workwear, brunch, and night out. So it's, you know, broken up into 3 pieces. And then each one has, they have like a step-by-step guide on this paper here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Let me actually close this and put it on something darker, maybe. It's very hard to see on camera, But basically they have step 1, which would be the top row of shadow and what kind of brush you would use, step 2 and step 3. So it shows you what brushes to use for each shadow in the palette. Super cool. I am really excited to try this out for my next IPSY unboxing. I think this was a pretty good month. November was a pretty good month. I'm pretty happy with everything I got in here. I'm glad I can add something to the giveaway pile. As always, I didn't realize this was going to be such a short video. Apparently, I am on top of it today and just like going for it. This is my 4th video I have recorded. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post new beauty content on Wednesdays and Sundays and lifestyle content on Fridays. I can't wait for the next video. I am just like going hard with holiday videos. If you like this look, make sure to check out my Too Faced video. And then like the actual like base makeup I'm wearing was from my elf video, which I'll also have linked up above. It's been great. It's been super fun to do. So looking forward to the next one and looking forward to seeing you guys again. Bye.